Welcome back guys. So is it too late to buy Apple stock? Let's start with the weekly chart, and straight away we can see that the price is stuck in this channel. This is no ordinary channel. Why? If I draw a pole like this, look at what happens now. This is a bull flag that has formed on the weekly chart, and we are having a nice breakout currently. So if this bullish pattern continues to develop, hopefully we will pump towards the $200 target which everyone is waiting for. But there are some other important considerations, starting with this double top that is forming now. Look at the price, almost flat, but look at the RSI here, it is in a high fashion. So some sort of a bearish divergence is forming, not a strong one, but yes, still there. In order to invalidate this, price needs to pump above the top, which was at around $176. So if we go in the $178 $180 range, then yes, this bearish divergence will get nullified. Not only this, if I zoom in a little bit, there is an important level from this point which is 155. While look at this action here, then a lot of action around here, and recent time also we saw this action. So 155 $150, this is something that might get retested before we continue upward. So this is something we need to keep in our mind. Another possible retest can be actually the top part of this channel, which is currently sitting at 163 165. As you know, whenever there is a breakout of the bull flag, we are looking for a retest before we continue the bounce. So yes, a retest of 163 165 or 150 155 can happen on this weekly chart. Other than this, if price continues towards 180 185, another issue would be that the RSI would reach the overbought region, and as we have seen in the past, price likes to reject from these regions. Look at this. So we have to be careful if that happens. Maybe 180 185 is the point from where we start seeing this correction towards 163 and later towards 150 155. By that time, the 50 moving average in green would have crept up and come to this point. So yes, that might be one of the important entries. However, we are still safe because we were able to buy both the bottoms, one over here at around 126 and the one over here around 130. So we are in a very nice position. We are in the green, and overall on the weekly you can see this W pattern is forming. So enough with the weekly. Now let's quickly jump over to the daily chart and see if we can spot something important. And if I zoom in, there was actually a very small retest of this trend line that happened. This was around $164, again in the range 163 165 that I mentioned. However, another issue that we can spot very easily is look at this extreme upward trend that the price is in, but look at the RSI falling. So yes, another bearish divergence on the daily is forming. So this is something we need to keep in our mind. So basically what I am expecting now to happen is, look at this huge pump, look at this extreme pump that happened, and then there was a breakdown from here, tested the moving average and continued the bounce. So hopefully similar thing might happen. Look at this extreme upward trend, there might be a small breakdown towards again the ranges I explained, and then we might continue upwards, hopefully towards a new all-time high. Of course, depends on what the news come out, how good the business is performing, but on a technical basis this is something I am expecting. Not only this, I want to show you this peak on the right side in volume. It is sitting at $150 almost. This is a price level that has actually got a lot of volume. So once again, possible retest can happen over here. And like I say always, we cannot be blind. We cannot only look at the bullish scenario. What if we are not able to hold 155? Then where we are headed? One of the interesting levels for me would be around here, 135. Look at all of this action here, again over here also, and all of this action in 2020. So on the daily, if we are not able to hold 150 155, the next target will be 130 135, and if we continue downwards, we are looking towards 150 $120. If that happens, probably the price will be making a lower low, but the RSI would be giving us a higher high. So some sort of a bullish divergence might develop over here. So me personally, like I said, I was able to grab these two bottoms. So I would probably wait for 150 $155 to buy some more, but yes, some entry can be taken at 160 165 also. So do let us know, what do you think? Are we heading down towards 160 163 and then we will continue the pump towards a new all-time high, maybe 190 $200, or this is it, this double top will mark the end of this bull run and now we are going towards 130 or even 115 $120? Do let us know. Also, we have a free Telegram group. If you want, you can join from the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hit the bell notification so you are notified whenever we upload a new video. And as always, a gentle reminder, trading is a risky business. If you are actively trading, please consider using proper risk management. Thank you for watching.